In this short video, we explain how to create a ticket in the Siemens Energy Customer Portal. After logging in, choose the Support tab in the upper navigation. There you can easily create tickets to get technical and portal support all from the same interface. You will also see the status of your existing tickets. You can choose between portal support and technical support. Choose portal support in case you have issues with the CEP and technical support if you want to report a problem with your control system. Select your unit in case you have several units covered. Then choose your service contract, select systems and products. In the lower part you can type in your issue. Please specify what issue you are encountering. Indicate the component that faces the issue. When the problem was detected. Attach pictures or screenshots. As soon as you have submitted your ticket, the ticket number will appear as a pop-up. Usually your ticket will be assigned to an expert within 2 hours. In case of non-critical issues, you can also choose next business day for resolution. Under Unit Overview you can see your ticket status anytime, no matter where you are. Every ticket is documented in the CEP and can be viewed again anytime. Your ticket is transferred to our remote expert services team, which will set the ticket to "in progress." Our experts will then give you either a call and information in the ticket or will log on remotely to your system if you have agreed to remote access via common remote service platform, the Remote Expert Center. The REC team will analyze the problem and provide a workaround or a permanent solution. With our ticket service in the CEP, we help our customers worldwide to protect their infrastructure from digital threats and keep their plants available at all times.